Hi, my name is Steve Geinitz. I'm an associate professor here at MSU in the Department of Computer Sciences, and my background is in computer science and statistics and machine learning, and I have helped get our new data science and machine learning degree off the ground. So data science and machine learning are both part of an exciting new field. So computer science has been around for a long time and is still a great option for students to give them a broad range of opportunities in the future. But data science degree programs have only started to appear at universities in the last 5 years or so. And so our new degree in data science and machine learning is intended to give students the background in computer science and statistics and machine learning and be able to apply that in this new field. So a student majoring in data science and machine learning can expect to have a good background in software development, but also in statistics and machine learning and creating models that can predict outcomes for businesses and organizations to help their company thrive. So a student majoring in data science and machine learning, we encourage them to choose one kind of domain area to focus their projects on. So in their senior capstone course, ideally, they're working on a project related to some area that they're interested in, whether that's biology or psychology or sociology. And in that class, we hope that students create a project from start to finish. So looking at some data and how they might use that to train a machine learning model, and ultimately create an app or a web application that uses that model and lets people interact with the model that they created. Given that this is a new degree program, we have some new courses that we've developed that are really fun for students to take. And one of my favorites is a deep learning course where students learn how does the language model behind ChatGPT work? How do you train one of those models from scratch? And how does it go from just predicting the next word in a sentence to giving you really what seem like thoughtful and elaborate kinds of answers to your questions. Now is a really exciting time to get into data science and machine learning. You know, we all know that ChatGPT came out around 2 years ago, and so a lot of people might think, hey, this has already been around for a while. But a lot of people are comparing this time to when personal computers came out in the 80s or mobile phones came out in the early 2000s. It took about 5 to 10 years for companies to actually build software based on these tools and for people to realize what are the good use cases. So right now is really the time to learn how to use machine learning models, language models, and get in with a company when they're just starting to use this technology. Anybody interested in majoring in data science, machine learning should, of course, think about continuing to take math courses. Math and linear algebra and calculus are important topics in machine learning. But what's unique about data science is that there is a lot of kind of storytelling of the data. And so having really strong communication skills is always important. And of course, knowing how to write a computer program and develop software systems is important as well. So one advantage of being at MSU is that students are generally in smaller classrooms. A lot of our classes only have around 30 people. And right now with our degree program being relatively new, some of those classes are even smaller. And so students get to know one another and also get to know the faculty really well. And the faculty and professors can see them go the entire way through their degree program.